Hello, future business leaders of Kenya. Welcome to Commercial Law, a vital tool for your Bachelor of Commerce journey. Think of commercial law as your business compass, guiding you through deals, transactions, and business operations. Whether you're running a kibanda or a listed company, legal principles shape every decision. Understanding these rules empowers you to make smart choices, protect your interests, and build a strong foundation for growth. We'll break down complex legal concepts into simple, practical lessons relevant to the Kenyan business landscape. From contracts and agency to consumer rights and business ethics, you'll gain knowledge that's applied daily across Kenya. By the end, you'll see commercial law as an essential, dynamic tool for business success. Let's dive in and start your journey. To thrive in Kenyan business, you must know the rules. These are set by the legal system. Law is a set of enforceable rules that regulate behavior, protect rights, and resolve disputes. The Constitution of Kenya is the supreme law, supported by acts of parliament like the Companies Act and Sale of Goods Act. Common law and equity, inherited from England, fill in gaps and ensure fairness. African customary law and Islamic law also play roles in specific cases. Kenya's court system, from magistrates' courts to the Supreme Court, handles business disputes and enforces contracts. Specialized tribunals, like the Business Premises Rent Tribunal, address unique business issues. The legal system supports business by enabling registration, protecting intellectual property, and ensuring fair competition. Courts enforce contracts, recover debts, and manage insolvency, giving businesses confidence. A clear legal framework attracts investment and fosters economic growth. Understanding these basics helps you operate securely and ethically. The law isn't just about punishment, it's your ally in business. Let's see how these rules shape your daily operations. Contracts are the backbone of business. They're legally binding agreements that make deals stick. Every purchase, service, or partnership involves a contract, even if it's not written. For a contract to be valid in Kenya, you need a clear offer and acceptance consideration, something of value intention to create legal relations, legal capacity, and a lawful purpose. Contracts can be oral, written, or implied by actions. Major deals like land transfers require written deeds. Terms spell out each party's obligations, some are explicit, others implied by law. Contracts can be invalidated by mistakes, misrepresentation, duress, or undue influence. Contracts end by performance agreement frustration, unforeseen events, or breach. If breached, remedies include damages, specific performance, or injunctions. Mastering contracts helps you build trust and avoid costly disputes. In business, clear agreements are your safety net. Let's explore how to use them wisely. No one can do it all alone. Agency law lets you act through others. An agent is authorized to act for a principal, creating legal ties with third parties. Agency can arise by express agreement, conduct, necessity, or ratification. Agent's authority may be actual or apparent. Principals are bound by agents' actions within their authority, so clarity is crucial. Agents must act with care, obey instructions, avoid conflicts, and account for money. In return, agents are entitled to payment and reimbursement. Agency ends by agreement, task completion, death, or bankruptcy. Understanding agency helps you expand your business reach safely. Choose and manage agents wisely to protect your interests. Agency is your tool for growth. Use it strategically. Every sale in Kenya, from market stalls to factories, is governed by the Sale of Goods Act. A sale transfers ownership immediately. An agreement to sell transfers it later. The law protects buyers with implied terms. Goods must match their description and be of merchantable quality. Sellers have rights too, like holding goods until paid or stopping delivery if the buyer is insolvent. Buyers can reject faulty goods or claim damages for non-delivery. Knowing these rules helps you trade confidently and resolve disputes fairly. Cash isn't always practical. Negotiable instruments like checks, bills of exchange, and promissory notes make business payments easier. These documents represent a promise or order to pay and can be transferred to others. Checks are common for local payments. Bills of exchange are key in trade. Promissory notes are written promises to pay. A holder in due course who takes an instrument in good faith gets good title, even if there were problems before. If a check bounces or a bill isn't paid, the law provides remedies. The Bills of Exchange Act governs these tools, ensuring secure transactions. Mastering negotiable instruments helps you manage cash flow and reduce risk. Use them wisely to keep your business moving. Partnerships let you share skills, capital, and risks. Ideal for many Kenyan businesses. A partnership is two or more people running a business for profit, usually based on a partnership agreement. It's best to have this agreement in writing to clarify roles, profit sharing, and dispute resolution. Partners share profits, losses, and management, and must act in good faith. Each partner is liable for the firm's debts, jointly and severally. Partnerships can end by agreement, expiry, notice, death, or court order. Understanding partnership law helps you collaborate effectively and avoid pitfalls. Choose your partners and terms carefully for lasting success. Business isn't just about profit ethics and consumer protection matter. Kenya's Consumer Protection Act gives buyers rights to safe goods, information, choice, and redress. Agencies like the Competition Authority and KIBES enforce fair practices and quality standards. Product liability means sellers can be held responsible for harm caused by defective goods. Ethics go beyond law. Honesty, transparency, fairness, and social responsibility build trust and reputation. Many Kenyan companies engage in CSR, supporting communities and the environment. Ethical business isn't just right, it's smart for long-term success. TUK. Commercial law is your toolkit for business success in Kenya. It sharpens your analytical skills, problem-solving skills, and document drafting skills. Legal knowledge helps you structure deals, manage risks, and operate ethically. Whether you run a startup or a family business, these principles are essential. Keep learning. Recommended texts include Tutor Jackson's works and Ashik Hussein's works, plus resources like kenyalaw.org. Stay updated and use your knowledge to lead and innovate. Embrace commercial law as your key to a thriving business future.